With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hey everyone, the question asks is what are transition elements and inner transition elements? Okay, and the second portion is asked as state the position of the inner transition elements. Okay, and we are also asked state why noble gases are considered unreactive elements. Okay, so this is the question. Now let's begin. So first we have been asked what are transition elements, right? So here is the periodic table, right? So you can see in the groups 1 and 2, these two groups, it is considered S block elements. Okay, it is considered as S block elements, S block. And here from 13 to 18, it is considered as P block elements. Okay, then from group 3 to group 12, okay, it is considered these particular groups are considered as transition elements. Okay, we are asked what is transition elements. Transition elements, right? So we can say those elements that lie between S block and P block elements are called as transition elements. Those transition elements, they should have partially filled d orbitals. Okay, partially filled d orbitals, right? Okay, now as we can see here, lanthanum 57, right? Then here it begins 50 from 58 to 71 lutetium. Okay, so from La to Lu, this particular series is known as lanthanide series, and again from actinide AC to Lr, this particular series is known as actinoid series, right? So we are told what is inner transition elements. So as the name suggests, transition elements that are lying inside, right? They are lying inside the transition elements. That's why we can say that they are inner transition elements. Okay, so these particular elements that form the F block are known as inner transition elements. The elements that form the D block are known as transition elements, right? Transition elements, they form D block, forms the D block, right? For inner transition elements, we can say they form the F block. Okay, inner transition elements they form the elements that form the F block, elements that form the F block, right? And they are lying inside of transition elements, right? Inside of transition elements. That's why they are called as inner transition elements. Okay, now we are asked in the second portion of the question, we have been asked state the position of the inner transition elements. We have to state the position. So as we can see in the periodic table, it is lying in the bottom, right? So we can say in the periodic table, inner transition elements, inner transition elements lie in the bottom, right? Then we are asked why noble gases are considered unreactive elements. Okay, so group number 18, these are noble gases, right? So we are asked that why they are considered unreactive. Okay, so let's see. So we can say the noble gases, right? They have completely filled outer cells, right? They have complete outer cells, right? We can say that they have complete outer cells, and therefore there is no tendency, to gain or lose, right? No tendency to gain or lose, right? Or share electrons, right? They have no tendency as their outer cell is already complete, right? And therefore we can say noble gases are quite inert. They are quite inert and do not take part in chemical reaction. Inert and do not participate in chemical reaction, right? Participate in chemical reaction, right? And when they are inert and they do not participate in chemical reaction, we can say that they are unreactive, right? Therefore they are unreactive. They are unreactive, right? So we have been asked this question. So this is our answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.